Welcome to the Effective Writing Center. Hi, this is David Taylor, Senior Advisor, and I'd like to take just 1 minute to tell you about some of the outstanding services at the EWC. These can be so helpful to you as you prepare the important written assignments for this course. Let's begin first with the Database Advising Service. To our database, you can submit any piece of writing, complete or partial, and receive expert advice on it within 48 hours. If you haven't started writing yet and just need help understanding the assignment or creating a plan, we can also help. The key is to copy and paste the exact assignment instructions into your request. With these instructions, the advisor will know exactly what your professor is looking for and can help you meet all the assignment's requirements. Also popular is our live one-on-one advising tutorials. Here, you meet live with an advisor, ask questions, and get answers in real time as you both look over your paper at the same time. Live advising is quite effective because you get answers to your specific questions in a conversational format. Although database and live advising are our two most popular programs, they are not our only ones. We also have a large web index. As you can see, you'll find videos and lessons on virtually any subject related to writing, including sample model papers. You're also welcome to join us for our monthly Google Hangout workshops. Each month we meet with you live to discuss topics like 10 proofreading tricks they don't teach you in school, and how to analyze assignment instructions, or the popular guides to APA and MLA citations. If you can't make it live, don't worry. All of our workshops are archived on YouTube for your viewing pleasure. Oh, and by the way, did I mention these are free for UMUC students? They are indeed. So we hope to see you soon in our database advising program, our live one-on-one advising program, or at a Google Hangout. And don't forget, you can ask us any question at any time. Just shoot us an email at writingcenter@umuc.edu or visit us on our webpage. Okay, talk to you later.